I am one of the co-founders for Investing Education Academy. Now, you might be wondering why going live. Just talking to you all about cryptocurrency. We were supposed to have our meeting this Monday. However, we are celebrating New Year. We were on travel. So we want to record a quick message to all those crypto enthusiasts that are in our ecosystem to talk about what things you need to think about going into 2023 as it relates to cryptocurrency, of course. First thing, the market is extremely volatile right now. In any marketplace, no one wants to invest in risk assets, and those are assets that are IPOs, cryptocurrency, SPACs. No one wants to speculate. Everyone wants to make sure their money is secure and safe. Cryptocurrency, by the nature of what it is not safe. Not only is it very risky, very volatile, people are still trying to figure it out. So, for all of our investors, if you're wondering, is this the moment to get in? The money that you should be using inside cryptocurrency should, number one, it should not be money that you need for bills, medical expenses, anything of importance. You should be using discretionary funds. And I would say, Leon and I often talk about this, curious money. The crypto market is definitely a place for curious money right now. There was a time where many of us were changing our portfolios where we might be investing 80% in the stock market, 20% cryptocurrency. I don't think, and Leon probably would agree with me, this is not the marketplace for that. Whatever curious money you have, and curious money is defined by money that you are investing just to understand and learn a marketplace. If you lost it all, you would not lose any sleep. That's the money that should be invested in cryptocurrency. You have scandals that are shut down certain currency exchanges, other platforms, and in that space, hey Leon. So in that space, um, you want to make sure that what you're investing in are actually secure investments, and also you want to look at how many people are still holding assets inside of things like their wallets. Did some research, and it said 10.5 million addresses still hold their cryptocurrency as Bitcoin currency. That's really important. 67% of all people who invested in Bitcoin since opening their wallets have still held on to their positions. That's also a very good sign. Institutional money has started to move into Bitcoin. Again, another very good sign. Um, why is that a good sign? Because it shows that the market still has interest in what's happening in cryptocurrency. That is, if you saw the reverse happening, where it was 66% of people who were getting out of their cryptocurrency positions or Bitcoin, um, that would show indication that this market has zero confidence in what the future of cryptocurrency is, and we more than likely at that point should follow the market trend and either change our asset allocation inside of our wallets or abandon the positions altogether. There are some positions for speculative cryptocurrencies that I personally have completely abandoned. I'm looking at mostly stable coins, and some people are like, what are stable coins? And those are any type of cryptocurrencies that have a base in fiat money, fiat currency. Maybe their base is in exchange traded commodities, or maybe that particular cryptocurrency owns other cryptocurrencies. Basically, they have an underlying asset supporting them. That's where I've been looking at coins, and that's why I still hold my positions in Bitcoin. Some people USDT, even though they had their own issues at one point. A lot of people still are focusing on those stable coins because they have over 100 billion in assets still invested in them. And I promise you, you're not going to see 100 million invested in any asset class that the majority of the world thinks is going to go away. So find the type of coins that fit your personality, your suitability, what you can afford to lose. Stay in that space. I would say consider what your goal is in investing in cryptocurrency. Some people just want to spread the market. And if you want to spread the market right now, you want to think, what sector of cryptocurrency are you investing in? Is it purely speculative coins? Are you trying to look at micro coins? Are you looking at more established coins? Are you trying to wait for absolute lows before you buy in? Are you going to dollar cost average down? Are you going to continue dollar costing average up? meaning, waiting for the price to continue. Well, not waiting for the price to stabilize, but investing as the market has some type of correction and continuing that pattern of investing systematically as the market continues to go up when that day does come, which may kind of rest on Jerome Powell and what happens with the Fed chair. Most of the risk assets that are in existence, period, are extremely hypersensitive to inflationary pressures. And in this environment, you can see many of those assets are cracking. They're not making it. So just consider what it is your goal is when you're investing, what type of money you're investing, and what will happen if there is an absolute correction where you may see some cryptocurrency still go down 20, 30%. And is your goal to see that rise on the other side in a new asset, like in a new asset allocation, or do you want to stay invested the way you are right now? Personally, I would suggest taking a very hard look at whatever assets you have, i.e. cryptocurrencies you have in your account. See if they still make sense. Check the use case, determine what type of coin is it, what's happening with the market, what's happening with competitors. Just pay a lot of attention into your current holdings in the beginning of 2023, because it may not be the right holdings to keep throughout 2023. Just wanted to give you all some things to think about as it relates to investing in cryptocurrency. I'm sorry we couldn't be with you this Monday, but we promised you a video, so you have a video. We'll see you on the first Monday of February for our live conversation about what's going on in the cryptocurrency